and I was playing all these games out of my little laptop.
All right.
So I said, fuck it. Let me just get a PC.
Okay.
And then my friend was like, oh, well, I can sell you some parts for really cheap if you want to just build your own.
Okay.
And I was like, oh, that's fun. That's nice. Like, a little DIY project. Like, I'll
right.
just build my own PC.
Sure. People do that all the time.
That
If you
was
if you can, yeah.
that was the worst shit I've ever fucking
Really?
done.
What
It
happened?
was horrible. Um,
What was the problem?
It-